Android phone users, we are here again. If you are using an Android phone, try this with me and it will help you when your phone gets missing. Come to settings. Preferably, this is Samsung. Come to settings. Then you come to lock screen type. When you come to lock screen type, you will see contact information. Click on contact information. Whatever you type here will appear on your lock screen. So here you can type your alternate telephone number or email address. For example, and I'll add my alternate number. Then I'll click on done. So you can see it is appearing here. Whenever your screen is locked, this information will appear on your screen. This information, it will always appear on your screen whenever your phone is locked. And when your phone gets missing, a good person can contact your phone number and give it to you back. If you have found this video useful, share to your family and friends. Like this video